In the field of automotive metal stamping die manufacturing, the quality of machining directly determines spoken workload.
Excellent machining not only shortens the lead time, but also can meet OEM's high requirements and standards more precisely.
There are two core priorities in die manufacturing all the time. There are two core priorities in die machining all the time: dimensional stability and geometric positional accuracy. To prevent machining deviations from the source, we adopt full-range tool monitoring and real-time inspection control throughout the entire CNC machining process. We keep real-time alignment with 3D design and GD&T standards to realize machining, inspecting, and fit time at the same time.
Equipment highlights.
We are equipped with Taiwan-made 3+2 axis gantry CNC machines to achieve full machining process, including multi-phases, multi-stations, side fillings, oblique boring, and chamfering in one time. We introduced the Japanese Fanuc slow wire cut machine. It features outstanding precision stability and superior surface finish with uniform texture. Through precise and dedicated process control, we laid a solid foundation of high precision and stability for subsequent die spotting, assembling, tryout, and mass production. All our operations are implemented in strict accordance with the IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Quality Management System standard.
Do our best to ensure every automotive metal stamping die to meet the OEM's quality and delivery expectations.